$1,000. Look at it though. It is something about this that I like. And it has a silver ray. Definitely would pay 5 G's for it.
So what is that style?
I would say very modern with a little bit of a traditional twist to it because of the straight lines and the bottom part of it, the framing. It makes it modern.
It reminds me of Boogie Nights.
Boogie Nights, okay.
That old movie with that. You know what I always wanted?
What?
One of those big, huge, lean-to mirrors.
It leans up against the wall. Yep. Did you just shock me? I think you gave me. You did. What's going on? You feel with energy or something? What kind of energy you got that's shocking people?
Positive.
You just charged me. Oh, okay. Okay. You like that table?
I love that table.
Okay, look at you. That is nice. What about the couch? You like the couch?
Yeah.
Very traditional. Okay.
I like it.
Huh?
I like it.
You like this table?
Nope.
You don't?
Nope.
Why not? What don't you like about it? Huh? It's too big. Too big, Ron.
Yeah, it's too big.
For what though? If it fits the space. Look at that mirror. I think I've seen that one.
I like that whole setup.
What? What's that up? Oh, this couch. Oh, the whole. It's all. Yeah, okay.
The whole deal.
That is nice. I'm very surprised that you picked something like that. Okay.
Girl, I got taste.
I'm not saying you don't have taste.
I got taste.
That is so pretty. Look at this. Ooh. Look at that fabric. The shimmer on
I sit
there.
on that too, huh?
Yeah, you could. You can set a tray on there.
See, that
Oh,
makes
that's
sense.
really nice. Look at that. It's got a bottom layer. And it's only $1,400 for this. I did do DIY one though out of a coffee. It was a kitchen table. And I cut the legs off and put the cushion on there. I have a thing of it. Yeah, I made it big just like this because I always wanted a big one. Just did my own.
Well, you got a big one now.
Where? Got to
Right here, yes. Cross my legs. Yeah, this bougie right here. Look, go down. Yeah. Yeah, I like that one. What you think?
No.
You don't like that?
And not at all.
Oh my God, that is so bougie.
It is, because you bougie.
Oh, that ain't
You like that?
traditional. No.
No?
No. I like that.
What?
That. That's dope.
Do you like that damn couch?
Yes. I don't know what you call that. Is that a couch? Is that a fake chase? What is that?
I would say, yeah, that's what I would call it. It is. It's just a
That's a sofa.
left high back.
Left hand back hat. That's nice. You don't like that?
No, I do
Oh my
not.
God, that is gorgeous.
So you got to cross your legs and sit on
Yeah,
there?
you got to cross your legs to sit on that joke.
What about that?
Yeah.
Even with the gold shimmer.
Uh-huh.
You like the gold shimmer?
I mean, it ain't bad. I like this table.
Oh
This
my
is the same one.
Oh, over there.
15.
What about this chair? Bougie Ron again.
Oh, got the little beads on it. Look. You got the grandma beads on it. You know them beads that you go down the hallway?
Yep. Yep.
Oh, that's bougie.
We done been over here, didn't we?
Oh, Jesus. That's baller.
Oh, I
That's
like that. Now, I like this. It's
like
like a
that.
big damn knot.
I like that.
Even these. I even like
I like
these.
the whole shebang. Yes.
Sit down, babe. Let me see you at the table.
You know what? With this, you ain't no hanky panky going on in the table.
But what kind of hanky-panky you want to go on?
Ain't no hanky-panky going on here.
You can see everything.
Yeah, I don't like this. No. Yeah, we get some people in trouble, yeah.
Because you ain't got no business doing nothing.
See, even when if you sat right there, even with your dress on right now, that'd be too much of a distraction.
It would not be.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh God. Oh, I'm supposed to be getting you.
Ron. You wouldn't be distracted.
No, but see, you wouldn't be sitting like that. You'll be comfortable and you'll be moving your legs and stuff. No, that's too much. That's too much. Let's see. Abort. Abort. This dope, but well, maybe if you put some table mats.
No. You don't want to cover up all that art. Look at this.
Well, I'm saying the table mats close to where you eat, you'll still see the art. This is nice. How much is this?
$3 grand. 3,600.
That's nice though. When nobody that you know, or that you know will have this.
I love it.
I do too.
It's so different.
It is.
But will we be tired of it in 2 years?
We would be. Tired of going around it.
Yeah. No, this is nice though.
And then two is
because it's so different.
We need 8.
You said okay on the 8. 8. Yeah, 8 will be great. I think we should go with the table I saw.
I like it though.
This old chair. Each chair is only $841. And then,
I use that word only a lot.
huh?
I like how you use that word only a lot. It's only $8,262.
Now this is pretty. This is very pretty. Very
like
modern. Very modern.
You like this?
Clean, dark espresso with charcoal gray chairs.
I like this.
That's real. How many chairs is that? 10? 10?
This is 10.
It's 10.
Well, we don't have to get off.
How many leaves are in it? Just one leaf? Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. So you would drop a chair
Yeah.
from each side.
Yeah, I like that. And what do you think about the end table? I mean, seats.
What do you mean?
You know, like
They always be something a little bit different.
yeah.
Sometimes they do, but they don't have to be.
Put them over.
These are all the same though.
No, they ain't.
Yeah, they are.
No, this one different.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yep, you're right. Slightly different though. This one has arms and this one doesn't.
I get rid of this altogether.
The big one. Okay. What? Baby, you cannot be moving these people's stuff around. This
You might have found it,
babe, I was just saying I liked it, not for you to. This too big for that space.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Ron, this table,
No, it's not.
maybe this table. Okay, get the measurements off of this, and then measure that space. This thing will be stretched
No, it wouldn't.
into the other space. Let me find the measurements on here.
No, it wouldn't.
The chair and the foot, the two pieces. Yes.
I like it better as one.
Oh, okay. Okay. Man is still moving these people's chairs. Oh no, you said this is a spot up here, remember? There's some gems up here.
You gotta come up here right after furniture.
Oh, for sure.
Then that's what they got there. The furniture market stuff. It's all picked through now.
Did they even have the furniture market this year? Last downstairs.
I think it was 1234 downstairs.
Okay, that's what it is. Really? Same price then.
It said that. It's cute.
What's cute? What's cute?
Yeah. That is cute. That's cute. For your plants.
For them plants.
Yeah, you put some succulents here. You put your big baby here.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you put some little decor down. That's a plant stand.
For $7.35.
Oh, you know what? Speaking of plant stands and stuff, I need you to be cognizant, that's the word I'm going to use, of
your plants.
Yes, and pots,
okay,
and stands.
Oh.
While you're doing all of this,
okay,
I'll leave my babies out.
Okay.
Because right now they're in what packaging they came in.
Well, that's why they dying.
No, they dying because we put them in the day room and left them in there in that hot room.
When you gonna repot them?
I repotted many.
Oh.
I mean some, but some of them don't need to be repotted.
Okay. Okay.
Because repotting.
How many plants you have now?
22.
Okay, so we need to go thrift and find just some nice ones and then spray paint them all the same color.
How would you feel
what?
If you had to wear the same clothes as everybody? For real.
You cannot have.
That's cute.
Listen, you can't have 20-something pots and they're all different, baby. That's not gonna work. That's absolutely not.
Each plant has its own personality, has its own character. They don't want to be dressed the same as the near distant cousin.
So you're gonna have 21 different
we didn't
pots.
have to say that. I'm just saying, like, we can't have 22 same pots. It's not just.
They could be different pots, same color. They could be different pots.
You're gonna have to incorporate some color into your life.
Wow, what kind of color? Now I'm getting nervous. My heart racing.
Pops of red and
never.
lime green. No, okay, not lime.
I'm cutting this camera off and walk to the car. I'm so done.
I mean,
I can't do them colors. I cannot.
Be neutral colors. They can be invisible, but they don't have to be all the same. They take away from the characteristics of each plant. You put them all in the same type of plants and make them seem like they're all the same. No, they need to be their own individual. Some plants like blue, some plants like neutral, some love bamboo. Yeah, plants are things too. They're alive. They're living creatures.
No, he loves his he doesn't. We don't want to try.
For real.
we just left court. We literally just got out of court from fighting for the flower rights. Well, I don't know about no colors, but okay.
I mean, the plants are different colors. Hey.
Good. How about you? Good.
They flower different colors. Some are red. Some are orange. Some are white.
Here's where major compromising comes into play for me. I'm talking major. This is major, y'all. This is about to be groundbreaking. Because y'all already know. I never had to do this before. Hey, how you doing?
What do you think about that?
Think about it for where? What do you mean? Just do I like it overall?
Yeah.
I mean, it's cute in a room that don't get a lot of use.
Like the living room.
It's very different.
That's too big. You don't like that. I like that. When none of my friends have it.
Yeah, I bet they wouldn't. Yeah, they've changed this around because that's employees only right now.
You go to my section. My section all the way upstairs.
What day is this? Friday? This is Friday. Okay. Look at that big old thing over there. This is a Friday that I'm filming this video. I'm not sure what day you're watching. I love this. Oh, that whole, look at this.
I like that.
Oh,
When you see this?
look how pretty. Ain't this pretty? Oh my goodness.
Let's go.
Let me see the base. Let's look at the base. Y'all know I love a good base. Okay, it's like a 2-pedestal base.